Minseo Jet Flex step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Carefully open the packaging. Step 2. Inside, you'll find the Jet Flex and 2 sheets of parchment paper. Step 3. The brighter white side of the Jet Flex is the front. That's where you print. Step 4. Load the sheet into your inkjet printer, front side up, and print your design. Step 5. Use a cutting machine to trim along the design lines. Step 6. Peel away the excess, leaving only the printed design. Step 7. Apply the design to a transfer masking sheet. It helps with complex images. Step 8. Place the design where you want it on your shirt. Step 9. Press at 155 VIB C 311F for 10 seconds with a heat press. Step 10. And just like that, your custom t-shirt is ready.